Greetings, my precious viewers. First of all, sorry for my 2 weeks absent. I was sick. Welcome to the 9th episode in our series about WordPress. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create pages in WordPress. Our start point, as usual, is dashboard. From here, if you click on pages, you will see all pages for your website. Default WordPress installation comes with two default pages, Home and Privacy Policy. Before create new one, I'm going to show you how you can delete pages. You can delete pages if you click here and click on Trash, or you can mark and trash away multiple pages at once. So click here on Log and Contact page and Privacy Policy page. Click here on bulk action and choose Move to Trash and click Apply. So if you click here on Trash, this is your pages. From here you can delete it permanently or restore it one by one, restore or delete, or you can delete permanently if you click here to mark all and click and choose delete permanently and click apply or click on empty trash. Okay, here you can see your published page or all page. If you have a draft, this will be another option. So now we have only a home page. So please click here to add new one. And this is our title. Here you can type our title, for example, about us. And here we can put some text. So click here on add block and choose paragraph. And I think that already I have text, this text. We are small mechanic shop for all color owls and so on. And I want to center it. Align text center, mark it and put bold. Beneath this, I want to add pictures. So we need another block. Click here to add block. And this feature I didn't show you earlier. So click here on columns and choose this 2 columns equal split. You have 2 columns 1/3 and so on, but click here on 2 columns equal split. And in this option here, when it's block navigation, you can mark this one or left block, now here, or right block. We need this part, main part, and here click on wide width. Now I want to add image, so click here on block and add image. I already uploaded 2 images in my library. Add first one, and here add a second one. Okay, we have title, our small chunk of text in a heading, and 2 pictures. And if you click here on preview, you can see our home page with title, text, and 2 pictures. So please click here to back to see another option. This is option, the same option just like for posts. I showed that earlier. This is our permalink, our URL slug. Okay, also you can add feature image for your page, allow comments, you can choose template, and differentiation between posts and page, that pages don't have chronological order just like posts, and don't have categories and tags. They have parent-child relationship, and I will show you that relationship in next video. So if you have any questions, please type it in comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.